I'd like to introduce you to another part of our team, AMC Media. They're our sales and marketing gurus. 4 years ago, I needed help in this department. I was managing all the media, the magazines and billboards, and creating my outpatient joint replacement program myself for about 5 years. I needed help. With these guys being social media experts, Google certified digital marketing experts, how could I go wrong? Well, if you look at the numbers over the last 4 years, because now they're measurable, and you look at our digital campaign, you look at what we've done in many different mediums, AMC Media has come through unbelievably. What better team can we bring to you and your community than the team that brings patients to my office every day and realizes when we don't meet our marks, we don't meet our goals, we do something different, we do it better, and we achieve those goals. So I'd like to introduce you to AMC Media, our sales and marketing team, who's going to come make you an awesome brand in your community.